duties and responsibilities as the new registered and licensed architects of the land. I think you're not yet ready to take your oath. Mukhang ang lamya. If that is the sign, hanggang dyan lang kayo, then ibig sabihin hindi kayo mag-oath talaga. So you have to do better. I'll ask it again. Do you accept these duties and responsibilities as the new registered and licensed architects of the land? Yes! That's good. Very, very good. Let's give you a big yes. Handa na kayo sa responsibility ninyo. Because without that, we will not proceed to your oath of professional. Okay, so let me request you to all raise your hand for the most awaiting part of this program and event for your oath of professionals. If you have the souvenir program, nasa likod yan ng iyong souvenir program. You can look at it at the back. But anyway, you have to follow after me. I state your name. Of, you state your address. Hereby solemnly swear. That I will support and defend the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same. That I will obey the laws, legal orders, and executive orders promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines. And that I will impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear that at all times and places I will adhere closely to the ethical and professional rules generally accepted by the architecture profession in the Philippines, and that I will and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and obligations incumbent upon a legally authorized architect practitioner. So help me God. Congratulations, you are now architect of the land.
Congratulations, you may now take your seats, architects. No, sarap naman pakinggan. So now you are full-fledged architects of the Philippines. So thank you very much to the chairperson of the Professional Regulatory Board of Architecture, the Honorable Robert S. Sack. So at this juncture, we shall proceed to the awarding of plaque of recognition